Okay, so you might have a web page that looks like this where it doesn't load anything. You have a network adapter error where it's a globe, no network access. It might say a yellow triangle and have an error there too. So let's look and see what's going on with the DNS. We'll open up command prompts, just open that bad boy up, then we'll type in ipconfig and then dash all. Dash all is important so you can see the DNS servers. You might have a few different adapters here, but I just have the one. So you can see DNS servers is set to this bogus server here. So I know that's the issue, and it might be yours too. So let's go ahead and fix that. So there's two ways to do it. You can go to Control Panel and then open up Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. And then you might see local area connection or Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Go ahead and click on this connection that you have right here. You can click details to see what we saw in ipconfig too, so you can just skip the command prompt if you want. Hit properties to change it. We're going to change this here in Internet Protocol version 4. So right here, this is your DNS settings. You can set this to set automatically, but this will grab your router settings or your modem. Say if you're at home, this is going to use your DNS servers that's connected to whatever your ISP has. I personally think that you're going to have faster speeds and faster connections if you change to one of these other bigger DNS guys. So you got Google, Cloudflare, OpenDNS. These are the three like head honchos that you have out there. Yeah, what is it? The other one's like Cloud9 or what are the nines or whatever they are. But so I personally don't like OpenDNS myself. I've noticed some issues in my day-to-day where people have had issues loading a web page um, for whatever reason. So I tend to stay away from OpenDNS altogether. Cloudflare and Google are the ones that you're going to see everywhere, and I think a lot of people are leaning towards Cloudflare here because it has DNS filtering built into it. So I think that's pretty nice, and that's where I would suggest for you to go at the very least um, for the preferred one. So you go 1.1.1, and then sometimes I like to add Google's at the bottom, so you have a backup there in case Cloudflare goes down. You'll have you have both of them. So once you hit OK on this, this will then fix this issue down here because this will tie to it. Once you hit OK right here, then it's gonna hit in. So now if we go to google.com, you'll see it loads right away. Bada bing, bada boom. The other way to fix this, and this will, there you go, just popped up there. The other way to go in there um, is to do like the Windows 10 way. I'm stuck in my old ways with the control prompt or the control panel. But if you click down here, right onto it, and click Network and Internet Settings, you can then click here under Properties and see what once you hit Edit here, you can see what the DNS is set to as well. So you could do it this way if you want. They both do the same thing, just two different ways to do it. So that kind of concludes how to fix it. Now, I wanted to explain what DNS is exactly so you kind of understand it a little better. So when you go to websites, everything on the internet is IP based. So it's all numerical. Everything's a number that you go through on different websites. So in order to help us out as as humans to get through things and understand things better, this DNS service takes that IP address and changes it into words for us. So the easiest way to kind of explain that is if you open a command prompt and you ping the website. So we go to ping google.com. You'll see that the actual spot you're going to is 142.250. So that's the number, that's the IP of the website that you're actually going to. And this DNS service changes that into words. When you don't have DNS, you might still have a network connection, but there's no way for you to browse the web or connect to different things that need that service. So on a domain or a work group, things like that sometimes function, when they need connect to a server that's through the name or a website, for example. All those things rely on DNS, and you can also change this DNS with no problem. Say if you're looking at this and you're looking to change this on a server, it's no problem to change this on a server in midday because it doesn't take anybody down. It doesn't take the network down. It just changes the function. So um, that's it. I just wanted to explain DNS to you, and hopefully this helps you out. Um, feel free to put any questions in the comments below, and have a great day.